Hello everyone. We're working on the Damascus billet, doing some sanding, doing some filing now. I uploaded the other video and that took a while, so I actually put it on the sander, blew out 2 belts. They rolled, split right at the seam, and retape them. Anyway, got it shaped how I wanted it. Took the grinder to it with a hard disc and ended up with this shape. And now, what I'm doing, I'm taking these 2 little pin files, running down the grooves, getting those cleaned up. I got 2 more left to do. And I need to run around this way, cut it off, drill a hole down the center, and then I will need to get it. I'm going to try and get it sanded up to 600 grit today. No guarantee on that, but try to get it up to 600 grit today. If I don't, then that's something that I can actually carry with me and just fiddle with it when I got a little bit of free time at work. But just running the file down these fullers, cleaning them up, trying to get them looking out decent. Like I said, I've got a few more to go. It'll take you along for a couple of minutes, but I don't want this video nearly as long as my last one. That was way too long for my liking. I don't want to keep you guys distracted from what you got going on that much, you know. I appreciate you spending the time that you do spend here watching my videos, but I don't want to keep you too long. So, just going to finish up these last 2 folders here, and then start working this way. I'll come back when I make a little bit of progress and show you where I'm at. Alright. See you in a bit. Alrighty guys, so I made some headway. Let's see. Up here you can see. Not exactly even, I still have to file here, along here, top ridges. But I am, come on focus. There we go. Got that cleaned up pretty much all the way around. Let's see where I want to go. I want to cut this off, probably maybe 1/4 of an inch. Focus. If that, about, maybe 1/4 of an inch. Because I'm going to round the top a little bit. So, I think I'm going to sand first, and then I'll cut that off. Maybe I'll cut that off. Yeah, let me cut that off real quick. And then I'll do the sanding on the top, or the filing on the top edges, and get to sanding. Alright, so just clamp this in here. Just taped a couple of pieces of this board back here that I cut off when I put that up, so I can tape it to the vise. So when I go to clamp that in there, thank you, my brain was not working. When I go to clamp that in there, I'm not clamping straight on those teeth. Alright, this is going to get loud, so I'm going to move you back and cut this off. Plus I don't want the sparks flying right at my camera here. Oi. Oi. There we go. Alright. Safety glasses. Yes, I realized that I did not wear my safety glasses almost the entire video last time. What the heck is that? Oh. Something I'm working on. I do tend to forget sometimes. I try to always wear them when I'm grinding. Oh, I always wear them while I'm grinding off. Even though most of the time, every time that I've had anything get in my eye, I was wearing safety glasses. Still do it. Oof. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, hopefully that wasn't too loud. Hot! Okay. Ooh, still a little warm. Now it's cold. That's the one there. Just going to take these edges here off real quick. And plug in the center in real quick just to hit that face. My tensioner broke yesterday, or last week. Plug this in. I'm not worrying about it being too. Should be all the noise for today. So that's where we're at right now. Drill a hole down the center here, but I'm going to sand this. I'll come back and show you where I get to here in a little bit, and see you soon. Looking good. Okay guys, I'm up to 220. I'm going to hit it with 600 next. I believe that's my next grid that I have. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Let me come around here so I can see where we're looking at here. Okay, so that is what we're looking at right now. Yeah, right there. Right there, right there. That's the seam. See. But I am noticing that as I file and sand, it is disappearing, mostly just up on the high spots now. So I'm going to continue sanding, get this up to 600 grit, drill my hole, and put this in some etchant. Only thing I have right now is freaking vinegar. You see right there? That line right there? And that line right Right there. Those are part of that seam. All the way down. Went all the way around the outside. It was welded in the center. So, there we go. So I'm going to work on this some more. I'm going to shut my phone off because before it dies on me again, plug it in, let it charge up some more. And I will come back and show you this once I get done with the 600. I'll see you soon. And then I don't think I'm going to be able to etch it today, so once I get the etchant, I'll put it in there. Maybe I'll post a short video or put it on the County Line Forge blacksmithing mashup. I'm going to go get back to work, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty guys, got her clamped up here in the little drill press. Getting ready to drill the hole. Just kind of got it marked a little bit. I'll take you along for the drilling. It actually started pretty easy, so let's see how she goes. That's not going to work. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, now we're back here. Now we're going to run this down. Got the drill set as deep as I want to go, which is actually pretty deep. There's a reason for that, and you'll see in the final when I show what it is I'm actually making. So, way down and got real warm. That's why it dropped down, because it got too warm and it started sliding the tape too. Oh yeah, melted the tape. Tighten down here. There we go. traveling down there. Alrighty, let's get that out of there. Come on. Cool it down. Clean this tape off of here. Got the hole in there. Sand it up to 600 grit. Clean all this tape out of here, and I don't know if you even in the view. Hole. Alright, get all this glue up. Tape, milk the tape out of here, and I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this up, post this video, and I will come back next week. Or later in the week, hopefully I'll be able to get some etching, some good etching. Get a good etch on this and post a little update video on it. And get this cleaned up and ready to etch. Let me pause this here. Alrighty guys, so still cleaning the crap off of it. Got the hole drilled in there. So any guesses? Anyway, we can get this etched up sometime this week. Post a little short video showing it once it's all said and done. And I'll see you next week. Hopefully on something that's not going to take me so long. I think I'm 3 weeks in on this. August 26th to what's today, the 16th. Anyway, like, comment. I'm out. Have a good one. Peace be with you.